After a lifetime of not thinking twice about the stuff, this summer I got really into lavender when I discovered, serendipitously, what a beautiful, aromatic, multifaceted flower it is. It grows on my daily walking route, and I began to pick it for kicks since it smelled nice. I soon found out just how much it can be used for, including its calming aromatherapy aspect. The essence of lavender has much linking it to stress reduction. This beautiful flower in the mint family, which has actually been used for all sorts of uses for thousands of years, has almost as many uses as there are species of it to its name. But I will go over the most popular uses, some of which I have adopted and use regularly. Dry it and fill sachets with it for yourself or to give as gifts. This is the first craft I ever did with lavender, and I swear by it. These little pouches are excellent to put in your drawers, on a windowsill to catch a breeze, under your pillow, and to give as gifts. Lavender is a sleep aid. Since I started keeping a sachet of lavender by my pillow, I have indeed had more restful sleep. Even if its connection with relaxation is still just fringe science at this point, likely to be true but not proven just yet, so what? At least it smells nice. Lastly, the lavender sachets, if closed tightly, can even be tossed into your laundry in the drying cycle, and it's amazing how fresh it makes it. Dare I be poetic and say it's like a summer breeze in the south of France? Okay, let's just leave it at I've done it, and it smelled really, really good. Just search for muslin bags at any craft website and fill them to the top with loose, dried lavender buds. A bit of lavender colored ribbon is of course a nice touch. Repel moths and mice with it. Those same sachets can be strategically put in places as an organic way to deter moths and mice. It is well documented that insects other than bees and mice hate lavender, and for you, it's a heck of a lot prettier smelling than chemical-laden mothballs. Unless naphthalene or p-dichlorobenzene is your thing. Cook with it. You may have already cooked with lavender and not even known it. If you've used herbes de Provence, American versions of it often have lavender in them. Ironically, the French were never big on using it for cooking, and it's an American culinary take on the herb, but you can also cook with lavender in its own right. Make tea with it. Recently, I made drinking lavender tea a part of my nighttime ritual. It's both caffeine-free and, of course, beneficial for the relaxation properties. Like many herbal teas, lavender is not actually classified as a tea, but this doesn't mean you can't brew it into a tasty drink. And I recommend you test out lavender tea in small doses, as some people are allergic to it. Make lavender essential oil. Buying lavender essential oil is usually expensive, think $10 an ounce at a minimum, so it's cheaper and fun to make it yourself. Essential oil simply means that through some type of distillation process, you separate out the scent-producing oil from the flowers in its purest and most concentrated form. How to make the essential oil is beyond the scope of this video, as I have never done it, but know that there are many great tutorials online on YouTube. For example, it does involve a bit of investment in equipment. So with lavender essential oil, however you acquire it, you can use it for everything from making soaps, aromatherapy, to tea or cooking, bath oils, and more.